Buongiorno! Today we have prepared a ciambellone with the two color ciambellone, a big color ciambellone. The smell in the kitchen, because the ciambellone is still warm, is amazing. And you have heard the sound of the crust of this ciambellone. Oh God, fantastic. This is a very easy recipe. With sunflower oil instead of butter. Here our ingredients: 3 eggs, 300 grams of flour, 175 of sugar, 190 ml of milk, 110 of sunflower oil, 8 grams of baking powder, 30 grams of cocoa powder. We start on preparing our silicone mold for the baking section. This recipe is good. You can use for your breakfast or to send to your kids at school. We mix the baking powder with the flour. You break the eggs in a bowl and you add the sugar and you mix well, either by hand or with a mixer. Well means that you will have a creamy mixture where you will add slowly but surely the sunflower oil to make sure that the oil is mixing well with the eggs. And the same way we add also the milk, so to make sure that it's well mixed, we add the milk slowly. At this point, we will add the flour. If you use a hand whisk, then maybe it's better to sieve the flour. With the mixer, it should not be a problem. When the mixture is ready, we prepare in another bowl and we add the cocoa powder, and you can also use pieces of of chocolate. In this case you don't have to separate the mixture, you just add directly on the previous mixture. At this point we are ready to put in our mold, and first the white mixture and then the chocolate mixture. The oven is already on 160 degrees, and we will bake the ciambellone for 40 minutes. First on a static temperature, and then with ventilation. You make sure that the ciambellone is cooked while putting a stick of wood, a wooden stick, and if it comes dry out, then the ciambellone is ready. With the help of two plates, you take out the ciambellone from the mold. You can put sugar powder on the top, and this is ready. It is really a fantastic recipe. Please remember to subscribe on our channel to help us to continue on developing our video. Enjoy, and we are waiting for you here again. Ciao.